Thank you guys for tuning in to the channel. And if you're watching and you're not subscribed yet, please make sure you like and subscribe to this channel. It'll help me out greatly, pushing out content for you guys and trying to stay current and up to date with everything that's going on with the car. Today's video, we have something special. Today, I went and got one of these. It is the iCarsoft MB II scanner for the car. So what these do, they'll tell you everything that's going on with the car, any codes popping up, any issues with the car, and we'll go ahead and see what's going on, if anything is going on with the car. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to go ahead and plug it in and show you guys how to use this thing. Okay, when you unbox it, it comes in a pouch like so. So let's go ahead and open it up. Okay, so it comes with the scanner. It comes with the plug that goes from the scanner to the car. A disc holder for your computer. So you want to plug it in, USB cable. And it comes with the instruction booklet. And it comes in a few different languages. So what I'm going to do is go ahead and hook it all up together and plug it into the car and show you guys how to use it. Okay guys, so when you plug it up, your plug is underneath your dashboard under here, right there. So you plug it up in there, and once you plug it in, it'll cut on. System will initialize and do all the uploads that it's going to do. And what you want to start out with, you want to go to diagnose. Well, it's not a touch screen. You want to go to diagnose and hit OK. Then you want to go to bends. Then you want to click OK on bends, and these are all your different resets that you can do on the car. So you click on bends. This is the software version that it's on. This is the version I have right now. You hit OK. It's going to check files. And now you go through. Let me see if I can set this so where it won't move. Now you go through to which car you have. I have a 02 CL500, which is the W215 chassis. So I scroll down until I see the CL class, which is right here. Now you see you have two of them. You have up to 08 2002 and as of 09 2002. And the way you could check that is you go right here in your door. You can check the year. So to show you, you can check the year, which is right here. Mine's 1101. So I would go to the class up to 0802. I'll hit OK. Left hand steering, yes, we're in America, so we have left hand steering. So I hit OK again. Now on this, it says CL500, CL55. Now you see where it says 375. All you do is go to your door and look for the last two, which will be the 75 right here. And that's how you check. So I'll go ahead and click on the 375 and hit OK. Now it's saying automatic or manual select. Now, this isn't for your transmission. This is to select whether you want the car to automatically run through the test or do you want to manually select. So I'm going to click automatic for this demonstration. So the car will go through and run through all the tests itself. So I hit OK. It'll say please wait. And it'll go through all the systems and all the controls. So now you just have to wait for the scanner to run. And also on these cars, it'll also run through the AC system. Oops, sorry about that. It'll also run through the AC system. You can see it'll say diagnose right there on the AC while it's running, so you know that it's working. So it's checking all the systems right now, make sure everything's working and that there's no issues. This is a pretty handy tool to have. If you have a Mercedes-Benz, I would highly recommend getting this. I got this off of Amazon for, I believe it was $149. And trust me, this takes all the guesswork out. You won't be guessing on what might be wrong with these cars, because there's a lot of electrical components, a lot of engineering went into these cars. So this right here eliminates all that guesswork, so you know exactly what's going on with the car. And now that it's done, you can scroll through and check each individual one to see if there's any codes, anything wrong with the car. And if you do have an issue, you could click on any of these, and I'm going to check. Let's see, one that I know I probably have a code on. So I know I probably have a code on my Distronic because it's not working right now. So I'm gonna go to Distronic and hit OK. And you can go down to read fault code and hit OK. And it'll tell you the code at the top where the C100 is. That'll tell you where the code is. And it'll tell you what exactly is wrong with the car. Now, you hit escape, it'll take you back. And you can either clear the fault memory, which I don't recommend until you get the problem fixed. Then you can clear it, because you'll lose the code if you do that. You can click on control unit version, and it'll tell you the control unit, the part number, the supplier, which is the name brand that you could get the part through, and it'll tell you, you know, the hardware, software, diagnosis, identity, and all of that good stuff. So this is why this is so helpful, because it actually gives you the part number and the name brand of the part. So that would be the part number that I would get, that MB number, and the supplier would be the name brand, or you could go with a different name brand. It doesn't have to be that one. So it's not hard. It's pretty much simple and self-explanatory. Just hit OK to get out of that, and hit escape to go back, and you could just go through and check everything and see where you have codes at, see where you don't have codes at. Like I said, man, this is a very helpful tool to get your car right, to get your Mercedes-Benz right. So this is a short video. I just wanted to show you guys this. Something every Mercedes-Benz owner that does their own work should definitely have. You clear all kind of codes with this, and it's pretty much for every make and model of Mercedes, even trucks and Sprinter vans, as you can see. So like I said, man, I'm not getting paid for this video. I mean, this is just my personal experience with this. I mean, this thing, like I said, it takes all the guesswork out. Pretty much can rock and roll with whatever projects or repairs you want to do with the car. So I want to thank you guys for watching, and if you see this video and you're not subscribed, please subscribe and hit the likes and leave a comment. I try to reply to comments. I'm horrible at returning replies. Usually be days or weeks later by the time I see it, but if I do see it, I will reply. And just want to thank you guys for watching, and until next time, y'all stay safe. I'm out.
Rich people don't sleep 8 hours a day. That's a third of your life. It ain't but 24 hours in a day. You cannot be asleep 8 hours a day. You can't live in LA and wake up at 8 o'clock in the morning. It's 11 o'clock on the East Coast. The stock market been open 2 hours. They already making decisions about your life, and your ass was asleep. The Bible says, he who loves to sleep and the folding of hands, poverty will set upon you like a thief in the night.